Today, we're diving deep into the root cause of cardiovascular trouble, and I'm going to share with you one powerful, simple daily habit that can help you address it. We're talking about a single cup you can drink each day that acts like a healing elixir for your arteries, helping to restore their youthful flexibility, dramatically improve blood flow, and support your body's own innate ability to clean house and reverse damage. Stay with me, because this could fundamentally change your approach to longevity. So let's get to the root of it all. What actually causes clogged arteries? For decades, we've been fed this oversimplified story about cholesterol being the villain. But the truth is far more fascinating. The real trigger, the ground zero for cardiovascular disease, is something called endothelial damage. Picture the inside of your arteries. They're not just inert pipes. They are living, breathing tissues lined with a miraculous, single layer of cells called the endothelium. This layer is incredibly thin, but it is the command center for your vascular health. It's the difference between a smooth, non-stick Teflon surface and a rough, sticky surface that everything clings to. Now, what scratches this surface? What causes this critical endothelial damage? A major culprit is chronic inflammation. And where does that inflammation come from? Think about a diet high in refined sugars, processed seed oils, and constant high blood sugar spikes. Think about chronic stress and a lack of essential nutrients. These factors act like sandpaper, constantly scraping away at this delicate inner lining. When the endothelium gets damaged, your body sounds the alarm. It launches an inflammatory rescue operation. It sends in cholesterol, calcium, and other repair materials to patch up the scratch. This patch is what we know as plaque. So you see, the plaque isn't the villain showing up uninvited. It's a misguided repair crew responding to the damage. The real problem is the initial scratch. This is where the plot thickens and a true hero enters our story: nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the master conductor of your cardiovascular system. When your endothelium is healthy, it produces ample amounts of this magical molecule. Nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator. It tells the smooth muscles in your artery walls to relax and widen. This ensures effortless, smooth blood flow, which keeps your blood pressure naturally low. It's like opening up a 6-lane highway for your blood cells to travel on. But here's the crisis point. When endothelial damage occurs, your production of nitric oxide plummets. The conductor leaves the podium. Without this signal, your arteries become stiff, narrow, and inflamed. Blood pressure begins to creep up. And most dangerously, your blood becomes stickier and more prone to clotting. It's crucial to understand that the vast majority of heart attacks are caused by a clot forming on top of a ruptured plaque. So low nitric oxide doesn't just stiffen your arteries, it dramatically increases your risk of a life-threatening clot. So the billion-dollar question is, how do we protect this precious endothelial layer and supercharge our natural nitric oxide production? The beautiful thing is, your body is wired for healing, and there are profound natural ways to support this. First, get sunlight. Sun exposure does two incredible things for your arteries. It gives you vitamin D, a powerful nitric oxide booster, and the infrared rays themselves stimulate its production. It's free medicine. Second, breathe through your nose. Nasal breathing, especially slow, deep breaths, triggers the release of nitric oxide from your sinuses directly into your bloodstream. Third, load up on magnesium. Magnesium is nature's calcium channel blocker. It helps relax your blood vessels and is a cofactor for the enzymes that produce nitric oxide. Now, this leads us to one of the most exciting concepts in cardiovascular science: reverse cholesterol transport. This is your body's built-in cleanup service. It's an active process where your body takes cholesterol out of the arterial plaque, literally sucking it out of the walls and shipping it back to the liver for recycling. How incredible is that? How can we activate this cleanup service? Niacin, vitamin B3. This vitamin is a champion at mobilizing cholesterol from your tissues. Boost your HDL. So-called good cholesterol, or HDL, acts as the little barges that transport the cholesterol away from the arteries. Exercise. Physical activity is a powerful stimulus for reverse cholesterol transport. Fasting and low-carb diets. This is absolutely critical. When you stop flooding your system with sugar and carbs, You lower the primary driver of inflammation and allow your body to shift into repair mode. Let's just pause on the low-carb point for a moment. I had a patient once tell me, "Doc, this low-carb thing didn't work for me." I was surprised because all his numbers had improved. He said, "I did it for a few weeks, felt great, but when I went back to my normal food, all the problems came back." And that's when it hit me. The problem isn't the diet. It's that we've normalized a diet that is profoundly abnormal for the human body.
Consider this staggering fact. A normal, healthy fasting blood sugar level means you have about just 1 single teaspoon of sugar dissolved in your entire 5 liters of blood. 1 teaspoon. Now, consider the standard modern diet, packed with bread, pasta, rice, sweets, and sodas. The average person is consuming the equivalent of 50 to 100 teaspoons of sugar every single day. How is that even possible? How can you pour that much fuel into a system designed for 1 teaspoon and not see immediate chaos? The answer is the hero and the tragic figure in this story: insulin. Insulin is a powerful hormone that acts like a frantic emergency crew. Its job is to vacuum that sugar out of your bloodstream as fast as it comes in to prevent your blood from turning into syrup. It forces that sugar into your liver and muscle cells. But this system has a capacity. It can only overwork for so long, maybe 15, 20 years, before the cells start ignoring the insulin. That's insulin resistance. And the pancreas gets exhausted. That's the path to prediabetes and diabetes. And all that excess sugar? It's directly toxic, inflammatory, and it's the very sandpaper that damages your endothelium. All right, now for the moment you've been waiting for. The one daily drink that can have a transformative effect on your arterial health. What if I told you there was a delicious, simple substance that, according to scientific studies, can mimic the effect of exercise on your arteries? It sounds almost like science fiction, but the data is real and compelling. I'm talking about high flavonol raw cacao powder. Not the sugary hot chocolate mix, but the pure, unadulterated powder from the cacao bean. This is one of the most concentrated sources of flavonols on the planet. These flavonols are potent antioxidants, but their real magic is this. They activate a specific enzyme in your body called eNOS, endothelial nitric oxide synthase. In simple terms, they flip the switch that tells your endothelium to produce more of its own nitric oxide. Let me share some of the research that just blows my mind. Study 1, the exercise in a cup effect. One study directly compared the blood vessel widening effects of flavanol-rich cacao against a session of moderate-intensity exercise. The result? The cacao triggered a similar level of vasodilation. It was like giving your arteries a workout without having to hit the gym. Study 2, reversing arterial stiffness. Another study showed that daily consumption of cacao actually reversed measurable arterial stiffness, especially in older adults. It made their arteries more flexible and youthful. Study 3, the anti-aging effect. Perhaps the most stunning was a trial with people aged 50 to 80. After consuming cacao daily for just 2 weeks, the thickness and health of their artery walls were comparable to those of people 20 to 30 years younger. That's not just prevention, that's active rejuvenation. And the beauty is, this isn't a one-off effect. The benefits are cumulative. The more consistently you drink it, the better your endothelium becomes at producing nitric oxide on its own. It's like retraining a muscle that has been neglected. Now, to take this drink from powerful to truly extraordinary, I combine cacao with another superstar, beetroot powder. Here's the perfect synergy. Cacao teaches your body to make more nitric oxide, while beetroot is loaded with dietary nitrates that your body can directly convert into nitric oxide. Together, they are a 1-2 punch for your circulation. Here's my exact daily ritual. I take 1 heaping tablespoon of high-quality organic raw cacao powder. Organic is key to avoid pesticides. I add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder for that extra nitrate boost. I mix it with about 8 to 10 ounces of warm water. Not boiling water, as high heat can degrade the delicate flavanols. Warm is perfect to help it blend smoothly. Sometimes I'll add a pinch of sea salt for minerals or even stir in a scoop of magnesium glycinate powder because, as we discussed, magnesium is a heart health powerhouse. One pro tip for maximum effect, try to time this drink away from your morning coffee. While I love coffee, Caffeine can cause temporary vasoconstriction, a narrowing of the blood vessels, which works against the vasodilation we're trying to achieve. For the best arterial benefits, have your cacao elixir at least 2 hours before or after your coffee. If you just want the cognitive lift, mixing them is fine, but for true artery healing, spacing them out is ideal. This simple, daily practice is more than just a drink. It's a direct investment in the integrity of your entire cardiovascular system. It's about supplying your body with the raw materials it needs to heal from the inside out, to scrub your arteries clean, and to restore the vibrant blood flow that is the essence of life and energy. Your body has an almost miraculous ability to heal itself. Sometimes it just needs you to stop the damage and give it the right tools. So why not start today? Give this a try for a few weeks and pay close attention to how you feel, to your energy, to your circulation, to your overall vitality. And if you're ready to take the next step and learn about the single best meal you can eat to support this entire process and help unclog your arteries, I've put together a crucial video for you. You can find it right here. Thank you for watching, and never forget, you have more power over your health than you think.